Продолжаем наши уроки английского. Сегодня мы будем учиться строить отрицательные предложения в present simple. Когда мы хотим сказать, что что-то не происходит, мы используем слова don't или doesn't. Для I, you, we, they говорим don't. Например, I don't work on Sunday. Я не работаю в воскресенье. Для he, she, it говорим doesn't. Например, he doesn't eat meat. Он не ест мясо. Помните, после doesn't глагол всегда остается в начальной форме. Правильно? He doesn't eat. Неправильно. He doesn't eat. Теперь давайте перейдем к практике и попробуем вместе.
I don't eat bread in the evening.
I don't eat bread in the evening.
I don't eat bread in the evening. You don't watch movies at night.
You don't watch movies at night.
You don't watch movies at night. He doesn't play the guitar.
He doesn't play the guitar.
He doesn't play the guitar. We don't go to the park today.
We don't go to the park today.
We don't go to the park today. They don't read books in English.
They don't read books in English.
They don't read books in English. I don't drink juice in the morning.
I don't drink juice in the morning.
I don't drink juice in the morning.
She doesn't like bananas.
She doesn't like bananas.
She doesn't like bananas. We don't play basketball.
We don't play basketball.
We don't play basketball. He doesn't study history.
He doesn't study history.
He doesn't study history. They don't ride bikes to school.
They don't ride bikes to school.
They don't ride bikes to school.
I don't go to the cinema on Monday.
I don't go to the cinema on Monday.
I don't go to the cinema on Monday. You don't cook dinner at home.
You don't cook dinner at home.
You don't cook dinner at home. She doesn't work in a bank.
She doesn't work in a bank.
She doesn't work in a bank.
We don't clean the kitchen.
We don't clean the kitchen.
We don't clean the kitchen. They don't read stories at night.
They don't read stories at night.
They don't read stories at night. I don't write letters.
I don't write letters.
I don't write letters.
You don't listen to the radio.
You don't listen to the radio.
You don't listen to the radio. He doesn't take photos.
He doesn't take photos.
He doesn't take photos. We don't study math today.
We don't study math today.
We don't study math today. She doesn't open the door.
She doesn't open the door.
She doesn't open the door.
I don't call my brother.
I don't call my brother.
I don't call my brother. You don't visit your grandma.
You don't visit your grandma.
You don't visit your grandma.
He doesn't work in a shop.
He doesn't work in a shop.
He doesn't work in a shop.
They don't drink water.
They don't drink water.
They don't drink water. We don't go shopping on Friday.
We don't go shopping on Friday.
We don't go shopping on Friday. She doesn't enjoy cold days.
She doesn't enjoy cold days.
She doesn't enjoy cold days.
I don't play football on Sunday.
I don't play football on Sunday.
I don't play football on Sunday. You don't read magazines.
You don't read magazines.
You don't read magazines. He doesn't water the plants.
He doesn't water the plants.
He doesn't water the plants.
We don't drive to school.
We don't drive to school.
We don't drive to school.
They don't work in an office.
They don't work in an office.
They don't work in an office.
I don't run in the morning.
I don't run in the morning.
I don't run in the morning. She doesn't make soup.
She doesn't make soup.
She doesn't make soup. We don't watch TV in class.
We don't watch TV in class.
We don't watch TV in class. He doesn't like coffee.
He doesn't like coffee.
He doesn't like coffee.
You don't talk in class.
You don't talk in class.
You don't talk in class. I don't go fishing.
I don't go fishing.
I don't go fishing.
They don't visit the beach.
They don't visit the beach.
They don't visit the beach. She doesn't play with the dog.
She doesn't play with the dog.
She doesn't play with the dog.
We don't help in the garden.
We don't help in the garden.
We don't help in the garden.